Hey there, YouTubers. This is the Black Widow 67 here, working on my 1990 Ranger with the 351 swap. So what I got going on right now is I'm pulling the heads off so that I actually sold these heads on eBay. They're just junk. E6 heads, small valves, big combustion chambers, crap heads for performance. But unfortunately, I've run into a little bit of a problem here because I don't know how well my camera will pick it up, but as you can see, we've got some definite scoring in the cylinder walls. Plus, we've got some nasty, nasty carbon buildup. So, that means that this thing needs a set of rings. And it also, the head gaskets look like they were starting to blow in between a couple of the cylinders. And we've got the nice rust in the cooling system. Yuck. So, I'm about to pull this head off so that we can get a look at what's going on here. So, just slip on my other glove. Put the camera down. Okay, so get this head with a yank, and we're ready to come off. So I'm just gonna set the camera up somewhere where you can follow along. Where I'm gonna tip over. Starting cylinder, nice and heavy. Okay, so now you can get a look at my mess. Get a look at what I got going on here. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of carbon buildup in these heads, which means the head gaskets were about to go, even though it looks like they've been replaced once before. But, all right. Let's have a little closer inspection on the motor. Oh yeah, that's what I was afraid of. We got ourselves a toasted motor here. Well, unfortunately, not everything goes according to plan when you're building a custom truck like this. So, I am going to have to talk to my machine shop and see exactly what I got going on here and see how much it's going to be. So, I just wanted to keep you guys updated and show you what progress we got going on here. So I hope you guys stay tuned, and I will keep up with the progress pictures. Peace.